This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 240 megaliters is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Skylight, LP Detector, Carbon Monoxide Detector, Smoke Detector, Air Conditioning, Auxiliary Battery, Oven, Slideout, Spare Tire Kit, Microwave, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 240 megaliters is 6,265 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.